tell, I got two separate boxes. One's a fourth order and one's a regular Reflex. But they're both playing together.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go. I like the way you braced your floor or your box to your back trunk hatch.
I can tell you everything. Let me know when you're ready.
I'll go inside to do that. Yeah, I just like to look at everything.
Not many people are running these.
That's the ZAD 17.
The big one, yeah.
13.5,
yeah, dope.
Yeah, I've ran it for a few months.
So in here there's an FI BTL4.
Okay.
And there is a massive audio hippo. Very result. I mean a Gordo, which is a big one.
Yep. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Tell, I got two separate boxes. One's a fourth order and one's a regular Reflex. But they're both playing together.
Okay. Yeah, I'll go. Nice.
All right.
So your name, man? What else in here?
All right, my name's Alex. And I'm running the ZAD 1700, which is about 30,000 watts RMS. I've got two 12s. Okay, so one is the FI BTL4, right? And that's a 3,500 RMS. And I've got the Gordo, the massive audio Gordo, which is also about 3,000 RMS. Two separate boxes, one fourth, one regular, and they're playing together. Okay. So as you can tell, we got Zapco for the tweeters, right? We got an NVX. This is all D class. Everything is D class in here. I don't do AB class, right? Yep. So we got that for the back deck. See the back deck? We got all that up there. 4 6.5s, 4 horns, and 4 super tweeters. And then we got old school processing from Kicker. OG stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Recognize that.
Yep, a little bit.
The cool thing up here, when you're ready, is that the factory radio is fully functional. I've bypassed it and my system runs here.
Okay.
Directly to the phone.
Oh, so you're able to use your radio and your aftermarket?
Yeah. So when I'm not trying to be loud, I can just turn this on and listen to the news and regular bullshit, right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
So could you kind of explain, I saw in the back with the longer box and the other, so this, the way your port is,
Yeah.
So like a fourth order bandpass?
This is a fourth order bandpass. So the way the sub sits, if you look into the port, the sub is...
Oh, so it's inverted.
Yeah, it's inverted. So the seal section is on the bottom. I don't know if you can catch it.
I see it, yep.
So the magnet is up.
Okay.
So that's a tuned fourth, right? And that fourth is tuned to about 30 hertz.
Wow.
Now on
that's unique.
Yeah, and on this side, you'll hear it in a minute. And on this side, we have a regular Reflex. You see the slot? And that's tuned to about 37. Okay. So I'm playing flat from about 29 all the way up to about 60 flat.
Wow, okay.
And then the back deck is tuned to fill in directly behind after the subs.
Yes, sir.
Now here's another cool, interesting part. Open that door real quick. I'll make so we can see it.
All right.
This is a fully tuned ported enclosure here.
Okay.
It's a BMC. Yeah, 400 watt RMS BMC mid-range, super mid-range. In the middle, there is a horn-loaded tweeter in the middle.
Okay.
You see it?
Yep.
Now if you look up top here, you'll notice there's still more. These are studio speakers. So I have Hertz right here. Yeah. And that's designed to give you that upper level fill. Okay. Top end.
Sound like you try to have a good balance of bandwidth from probably low 20s all the way into 18 to 20K hertz.
It's wide all the way across with a lot of fucking power.
Okay.
I see the like that.
Yes, sir.
But
and this subwoofer amplifier, the way it's mounted with the impedance, like what is your impedances on those amps?
So right, I haven't clamped it. But so let me give you an example. I was running an HCCA 8K before. Okay. On the same setup, and it was sounding pretty good. This is about twice as powerful.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So I doubt I'm getting the full 13,000, but it's enough for those two subs, which are 35 each. You know what I mean? Yeah. So. Okay. And that's at 1 ohm? Yeah. Okay. We're right to 1 ohm clean.
Very nice. This is the first time I've ever seen a box where you have a flat ported wall trunk, and then you also have your bandpass.
Now these are two separate boxes, because the only way to fit that amount of volume in this car was to build two separate boxes and then slide them in.
Slide them in, yeah.
Yeah, you couldn't do it in a one box. It wouldn't
Correct.
work.
Yeah.
Right.
Nice work.
So we're running Alpine for the head unit here. Old school Alpine, and I'm gonna give you. Now, so I'm SQL, so high volume but very, very clean.
Okay.
So you want to keep that door closed, or you want? Because I know
whatever's loudest is best.
Open that door.
All right.
We're gonna let the people hear it.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
All right. So we're gonna do Alicia keys first, right? There we go.
Some more bass. That one has, you actually can't hear any distortion.
Oh, no,
You've done some good cleaning on tuning
I don't do
this.
distortion. So I do like studio stuff. So I want it to sound the way that studio would have it sound.
Yeah, you did good.
So now I'm gonna play something a little more dirty for you.
Okay.
A little more.
All right. And it's still loudest with both doors open with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just go right here real quick. I don't want to take up too much of your time. I know you got a lot to do today.
You're good.
Nice. Do along here. All right, let's do this one.
Pressure of the wind from that port blow.
Yeah, it'll get windy.
And it actually didn't fall off. I opened the door and then shut it to see the difference response, and it still stays flat.
Same.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So I designed you can play with the windows up or down.
Yeah.
But if I'm demoing out, I'll do it like that.
Yes, sir.
So you want one more?
Okay.
One more. Let's do one more. For
All right.
All right. Let me get you something special here. Let's do something special for you. What do you want? What do you want? Let's see. Feisty. Let's see. What should I do for you? Criminal. Trampoline. Like EDM?
How many times you shot that motherfucker? Ain't nobody popped up dead. That's how I need money. Shit, shit, shit. You ain't
definitely getting down. Thank you for the demo. Nice to meet you. Your name again?
Alex.
Alex.
Yeah, Alex.
Nice job.
I'm about to shut it down, boys. You know,
okay, yeah, shut it down, boys.
So Dave Cook, that's the, that's
yes, sir.
Yeah.
Did a really good job. Very unique, one-of-a-kind type of box.
I appreciate it. I can tell by your face you liked it.
Oh, yeah, it's good. I like it. And you actually don't miss a beat on any frequency range.
Yeah,
so.
I like my music.